Yo, what's up, everybody? My name is BCD. Welcome back, BCD Rats. Back here in that video for you guys. Today we got a video suggested by the homie Moxie Apple, I believe. He want me to react to Bugs Bunny versus Woody Woodpecker. Oh, Woodpecker. Tripping. Apparently this is the very first CMRB rap battle. So this is exciting. Always 2 years ago. So still relatively new. It should be good, bro. Big fan of Bugs Bunny, Woody Woodpecker is whatever. But yeah, man. Before we get into it, go drop a like for your boy, click subway with your family. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget social love to CMRB, and by clicking the link in the description, go support their channel. Don't forget click the notification bell. Put the thing in full screen. Let's you go win this rap battle, man. All right, bro. Just to let y'all know this, based on what I just said, I'm rooting for Bugs.
Bugs Bunny versus Woody Woodpecker.
Yeah, what's up, Doc? Allow me to be Miss Meanie. Roll on out of this battle and take the left at Albuquerque. This bunny's going back in action to my second victory. You're talentless, but when I sing, it's a real merry melody. You ain't a voice to Leodore. You're behind me in the dust. Face of music, you're outdated, nothing more to be discussed. Legendary. People always tune out your Looney Tunes, so I'll add you to the crew of your own shabab ghouls.
Knock, knock,
oh, that's an intro. Oh, hello. That was kind of a bar. Hello. I got the pets to reduce to a bug.
If you think you can get it, to someone better and hop on my woodpecker. Gnosis is roasting. That's what's up.
He basically almost take your girl, bro. He says you need to get with somebody. He said you need to get with somebody better. Hop on my woodpecker. Oh, Woody came to play.
I can barely bear the hair on the cereal box. It's rabbit season, Bugs. Don't think I would forget. So ravage underground because I got a bone to pack.
Of course, you realize
that was
this
a nice
means
open
try
bar.
to pick up my back than you can hope for. Steal spotlights from pandas. You can't win on your own. I'll surpass you and Daffy to boys one microphone. Mister, I'm the slickest trickster who's ever dissed ya. Your history forgotten and no one's ever missed ya. I'll give you a punchline since you're already a joke. Now that I tried this,
I'm gonna give you a punchline since you already a joke. Dang.
You may have collected respect in the company's money. It doesn't take a genius to know this bunny's unfunny. I'm more raw than carrots. You should stick to your pranks. I'm dropping rap bombs while you're shooting blanks.
Okay.
I hunt you on this track. You made this battle a drag, but hey, you're a queen of that. Stuck in the
I knew it why I heard him say drag. I knew Buzz loves doing that, bro. It always works.
the jam, you'll be left space out, but it's no surprise
That's
when
my
you take
LGBTQ LGBTQ plus. There we go. I forgot the plus. Matthew Shore has a buddy, FAE at Woody. I would know. They both did really well. Yeah, they was a nice start on CMRB channel. They were a nice battle. I gotta get a W to Woody though, which is sad. I really wanted Buzz to win. Like Buzz, both his bars to me. Like the first bar was just underwhelming. The second bar he did, the second verse he did was better. Yeah, I did like the part by you already punched like a year. Let me give you a punch like a year a joke. And then I do like that, but Woody came out swinging. I forgot what he said, but I know he's talking about he gonna take Lola. She can hop on my woodpecker, and always shooting blanks. So I gotta give it Woody. Woody did think on this. I didn't expect it, but hey, that's the result. Oh Jesus! Ooh. Y'all join my rest clip. Those are for boy clip. Somebody with your family. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to CMRB some love by clicking the link in the description. Don't forget to share, put the notification bell. See y'all next time. What? I'm tripping, bro. See y'all next time, man. Peace. Bro, I'm tired, bro. I've been all week, bro. Tired. Help.
Eagle double G. Top dog, bite
the mall, yeah, I'm burning it up. DPGC, you should be turning it up. CPT, LBC, yeah, we hooking back up. And when they bang us in the club, baby, you got to get up.